This is where one of the miracles of the modern age was born. 200 acres of tropical wonderland, like falling into a Rousseau painting, that I've been getting myself lost in all my life. Singapore Botanic Gardens was first laid out over 160 years ago under British colonial rule. But over the last half-century, it's just transformed itself into what to me must be the most dynamic, the most innovative garden on the planet. With towering rainforest boardwalks and cutting-edge cool climate conservatories, it's the only tropical garden to be granted the UNESCO World Heritage status. It's from this base that Singapore planned its Great Green Transformation back in the 1960s. A massive tree planting campaign has clothed nearly 50% of the city in public green space, part of a radical development plan to create the world's first city in nature. This isn't CGI, this is Singapore.